This is homework 1, problem number 5. We have a force x at the origin of a coordinate system in direction defined by angles delta x equals to 70.5 degrees and delta y equals to 136.3 degrees. And we're also given that the z component of the force is negative 52 pounds. So here I have a draw coordinate system with the vector. So to solve for we're finding delta z. To solve for delta z, we can use the equation cosine squared delta x plus cosine squared delta y plus cosine squared delta z equals to 1. So here we have delta x equals to 70.5, delta y equals to 136.3. By plugging that in, we have cosine delta z equals to plus or minus 0.60489. But how should we know is it positive or negative? That's where we are using the z component of the force. So since it's negative 52, we can see that the vector actually is pointing having a z component in negative direction. So this is into the page, if you can imagine that. So we have delta y right here, delta x right here, and so now we know we are gonna use negative 0.6. So cosine delta z equals to negative 0.60489, and we got delta z would then be 127.2 degrees. Next, we are finding the magnitude of the force. Let's say it's force F. And also the x component of the force and y component of the force. Here, since we're given f of z, which is negative 52 pounds, and we also know delta z equals 127.2 degrees. So here, let's just write it. Oops. This is 127.2 degrees. And we can using the formula fz equals to f cosine delta z. By just plugging this two number in, we can have f would then be 86 pounds. To solve for y, to solve for f of x and f of y, we can use f of x equals to f cosine delta x. Here we have f, we got 86 pounds. Delta x, we got 70.5 degrees. So we have delta x, f of x equals to 28.7 pounds. Do the same thing for fy. We have f times cosine delta y. We have f equals to 86 pounds. Delta y equals to 136.3 degrees. And now we can solve for f of y, which is negative 62.2 pounds. So this will actually make sense because we have negative f of y and positive f of x, and also the negative z component force. So we have this vector, so we have a positive x components, negative y components, and a negative y components and negative z components, which when they combine together, adding up, we have this resultant force F.